Hi kids, it's your Priyanka ma'am and I'm back with the textbook exercise of English lesson number 8 lesson of the unit 8 my silly sister. Now let's get started with the textbook exercise named word building. In this exercise you have to fill the blanks to spell the words from the story. See my dear children, here the words are given. Whatever the words are given, it is already given in the story. So what you have to do? You just have to find out the words from the story and you have to fill the blank and complete the spelling. For example, the first word is from the title itself. That is SILLY, silly, my silly sister. Then PE-L-S. If you already know the words, you may write down the spelling, and if you don't know the spelling, if you don't remember the spelling, you may find it from the lesson itself. For example, this is pebbles, PEBBLES, pebbles. Then STR-ETS. So in the textbook, the word given, that is street. Okay, so here E will come. So you have to do rest of the exercise by your own. Find the word from the story and complete the spelling. Now write the similar words from the story. So what do you mean by the similar words? It is synonym. Synonyms means the word with the same meaning. The word with the same meaning. Okay. So first word is foolish. Foolish का मतलब क्या होता है? So in the story it is given that foolish मतलब in the chapter itself it is given silly. Silly, childish, immature, foolish. फुलिश को हम हिंदी में मूर्ख बोलते हैं. मूर्ख यानी कि जिसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, जो कुछ समझ नहीं पाता, जिसको कुछ चीज का पता नहीं चलता, उसको हम मूर्ख बोलते हैं, यानी कि फुलिश. सिली, चाइल्डिश, बच्चों जैसा, इमैच्योर. सो फुलिश का क्या होगा? फुलिश का जो स्टोरी में वर्ड दिया है जिसका सिमिलर मीनिंग फुलिश होता है वो है सिली, SILLY, silly. Then stones. Remember, in the word meaning it is given stones. Stones means, the small stones means pebbles. PEBBLES, pebbles. Then mischievous. Mischievous means who is very naughty. So in the story itself it is given naughty. NAUGHTY, naughty. The child was very naughty because she was very small. Then fetch. Fetch means खींचना, कहीं से लाना, कहीं से लेकर आना. So in the story it is given that washerman brings donkey with him. Somewhere it is here only. Sometimes I hold a class with the donkeys that our washerman brings to carry away the dirty clothes. So here the brings word means fetch. मतलब कहीं से कुछ लेकर आना. So here bring will come. Then in the next exercise, filling the blanks with the words given from the help box. See my dear children, here the 4 blanks are given but words are only 3. So any one of the word will repeat here. Okay, let's read. So the dash are playing in the field. So who should be playing? Children, they या bell. So first children will come. Children are playing in the field. Dash are happy. So here who is happy? Children. So we will use they for them because we are talking about the children and children is the plural noun. So we will use they for that. Then dash are playing catch me if you can. So here we will write again they. So they word है वो repeat हुआ. Then the dash has rung it is time for lessons. Means the bell has rung. Okay, so complete this exercise. Then after that, question 4, filling the blanks. See, observe, इसमें कुछ दिया नहीं है, nothing has given that what you have to do. So we will observe the blanks first. One child, many, dash. If there is only one child, we will say child. But if there are more than one, means many child, then we will say they are children. Children's नहीं आएगा, ठीक है, इसमें s नहीं लगेगा, because children itself is a plural noun. Then one fox. One fox means single fox. And what will be the plural? Many foxes. F-O-X-E-S. We have written es after fox. Then one duck. Many ducks. We have added s. Remember, singular and plural noun we did it in our grammar book. One goose. Many. See, this is the irregular singular noun. So, what will be the plural of goose? Geese. G-E-E-S-E. It is known as irregular. मतलब उसका कोई रूल नहीं होता प्लूरल नाउन बनाने के लिए. After that, add FUL to make a word. So, we are going to add FUL after the given word in the bracket. But we have to be very careful. We should follow some rules. The children are playful. So, we will write play as it is and we will add full. FUL. Then, the flowers are dash. Beauty. Here, Y is given, children. If Y is given, we have to remove Y and add I. हमें क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? I ऐड करना पड़ेगा. कब? जब word में लास्ट में Y दिया हो. When the Y is given at the end of the word. So what we will do? We will write B-E-A-U-T. At the place of Y, we will use I and full. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Then the books are useful. U-S-E-F-U-L. Useful. Then please write with the dark pencil here. The vegetables are dash. Plenty. Again Y came. So what we will do? We will remove Y and we will add I. We did it in the chapter verbs and singular, plural, etc. We did it in our grammar book, correct? So, just like beautiful, what will come here? Plentiful. P-L-E-N-T. At the place of Y, we will write I. Plentiful. F-U-L. Plentiful. Then, question number 6. We have to add ly. Yes, you recalled it very correctly. In the chapter adverbs, we have did this. In most of the adverbs, we used to put ly after the word. Okay. So, now let's put ly after the words. But we have to be very careful when the y is coming. But let's start with this. The new shoes are very lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. Lovely. Then he is dash smart. Real. See, here L has come. At the end, L has come. So we have to double the last letter of the word. जब लास्ट में L आता है तब हमें उसको डबल करना होता है. जब भी हम लास्ट में ly लगाते हैं तब, ठीक है. R-E-A-L-L-Y. Then we should eat dash slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y. Let us sing softly. Done? Then जब भी L आता है तब आपको उसको डबल कर देना है. Okay? Then add ish to make a new word. Let's do it. Add ish. That girl is always crying. She is child. So childish. 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 This word we have done in the chapter also. Childish means immature, foolish, silly. Okay, जो बच्चों जैसे behave करता है. I slipped on a banana peel. I feel dash. Fool. So fool का क्या होगा? Fool means मूर्ख. So I feel foolish. FOOL. Now we don't have to double the I. Sorry, L. L को हमें double नहीं करना है. क्यों? Because we are adding ISH. We are not adding LY or FUL. Okay? So we will write FOOLISH. Now third. My sister is dash baby. So we have to add ISH. So whenever we are adding ISH at the end of any word, we are not supposed to change anything. Okay. So we will do BABYISH. 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 But how we will pronounce it? Babyish. Okay. So we will add ISH at the end of each word. So complete this exercise by yourself. Now on the next page, let's write exercises given, in which you have to write the 5 sentences on how you help at home. So you have to do it by yourself because answer may differ from children to children. Okay. So for example, I am giving my example. I help my mother in cooking. I help father in his work, in calculating something or etc. in his office work, in whatever you do, you have to write. I also help my brother in his study. I also help my sister with her dance, with her music work, etc. So you have to do it by yourself. Okay. So my dear children, complete this exercise and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.